Before we deliver your new gas dryer, make sure it's the proper fit. Double-check the height, width, and depth of the area the dryer will sit, and do a walkthrough of the delivery path. Measure the doorways, hallways, and other obstacles to ensure the appliance can fit. And make sure the dryer door will have enough clearance to fully open. This dryer requires a 110-volt grounded 3-prong electrical outlet, so make sure you have the proper outlet within reach of the power cord. There should also be a natural gas supply line with a shutoff valve located behind the appliance. Existing connections will not be reused. Make sure you buy a new Gas Flex connection kit and dryer duct at the time of purchase. Some state and local codes prohibit delivery hookup. See your sales associate regarding gas installations in your area. And finally, make sure your old dryer is empty before we arrive, so we can easily haul it away. Delivery and setup will go smoothly if you follow these helpful tips, giving your appliance the proper fit.